This is the Presence Health Minute. I'm Dr. Amir Badruddin from the Presence Neuroscience Institute. Today's question comes from our Facebook page. Is it possible to live a normal life after having a stroke? Yes, it is possible to live a normal life after having a stroke, depending on the severity of stroke and the location of stroke in the brain. A stroke is a blockage of blood vessel in the brain, and depending on how much of a brain has had a stroke or the location of the stroke, some people may have very mild symptoms, others may have more severe symptoms. We at Presence Neuroscience Institute pride ourselves in providing the best care possible for stroke patients. The first step is to diagnose a stroke, to understand why did the patient suffer a stroke and what kind of recovery is possible. Once we have understood the mechanism of stroke, we can provide the best treatment options for that particular condition and also help our patients recover from the stroke to the best degree possible. I'm Dr. Badruddin. For more information, please visit presencehealth.org or like us on Facebook.